So, Michal, you're based in Prague,
Yes,
and you recently quit your job.
that's true.
But before that, you were the Chief Happiness Officer of
Of Avast,
Avast, which is what?
which is quite big software company
Yeah.
in Prague. It's actually a global company now. We have about 600 people.
Yeah.
And it's operating not only in Czech Republic, but in many different offices around the world.
Mm-hmm.
But Czech Republic is the headquarters since the company started in Czech Republic 25 years ago, actually.
Cool,
Quite old company.
cool. And as Chief Happiness Officer, that wasn't your full-time job, right?
It was my
It was,
full-time
yeah.
job.
Yeah.
I came to Avast as Chief Happiness Officer through acquisition
Yeah.
of my own company where I was Chief Happiness Officer as well. So I kept the job title but the content actually changed because our company was smaller with 40 people and Avast is 650 people, which is quite a different job to be Chief Happiness Officer for 40 and 600 people.
Of course. And what was sort of your job description?
My job description was, I'm actually not sure what was in JD in the document, but I created my own job description during the time because it changed a lot when I discovered how the company works and what can you improve and where can we focus.
So what are some of the things in your...
So we did many things. We focused on communication through our company. We tried to build awesome new headquarters, for example, which we moved in a year or half a year ago with Avast. But the more important things I think were the small ones which help to connect people together.
Yeah.
So one of the examples is something we called Growshop.
Yeah.
It was called that because it was actually like eShop for personal growth. It's a skill sharing platform, I would say, which helps people to offer courses to any other colleagues. So it was closed inside Avast, and anyone could offer course of anything to anyone inside the company.
Right.
And we didn't really wanted to push anyone to just be only work focus, and to talk only about things you need for your job. But we wanted to make it a platform which actually connects people, which was more important part for me than the content itself, which is important as well.
Yeah.
And it actually worked. So as we were starting, we just asked a couple of people we knew that are passionate about some topic, and we asked them to offer a course through the channel. Yeah. And we had like 10 courses when we started, but on the day one, in first 3 hours after we opened it, all courses were sold out, and we had tens of other courses jumping in the system. Yeah. And it was really about everything, starting with courses on flying the drones, courses on magic tricks, but as well courses on like web analytics or pivot tables in Excel.
So it could be professional stuff related to the work people do at Avast, or it could be something completely different.
Completely different, yeah.
Cool.
And that's actually how we communicated the platform, that it's for sharing your passion. Yeah. That if you are passionate about something, this is the platform where you can... And it actually works because people who are really passionate about something, they just want to share. They want to show everyone that it's a great thing, that the flying drone is the best thing ever. And it actually works for the visitors of the course as well, because they see the passion and they can take a little bit of that and learn something new at the same time as well.
I love that.
And at the same time, those people who were offering the courses improve their communication and the presentation skills, so it was great for that as well. And the system was really simple. It was just internet website where anyone could just set up the little page with course name and number of people that can visit the course, because it's limited. You cannot do course for 600 people usually. And as simple as that, it just...
And people did them on company time?
Yes.
Yeah. So during working hours in the office, or...
Yeah. That's what made a lot of sense for us to do it inside the company, because the company as big as us with big headquarters, there is enough space for those things. Yeah. Because usually you would have to book some, meeting room somewhere. But in the office, it's easy. We had a lot of meeting groups, a lot of space. So it happened usually maybe in the evenings, but during the work hours, or during there were even courses in the gym in the company. So how to do squats properly.
So and what did people get out of what did people get out of it? What did Avast get out of it?
I think the most important part was that actually people really connected. That usually you only meet people from your team and maybe the teams you cooperate with in company bigger like that. And when you meet mostly on the meeting when you discuss some problem or you work on some things that needs to have a result, so we have to focus on the result. But you don't really have the time for the relationships part.
Yeah.
And my idea, which I think proved right, was that people will connect from very different parts of the company. So you actually met people you wouldn't have reason to meet. So meeting someone from marketing on the same course as people from R&D department and finance, they wouldn't meet because they wouldn't do the project together.
Yeah.
But here they just had a reason to meet and share the passion and discuss many other things as well.
You meet about something. You meet around something that you both care about.
Yeah.
Which gives you a very different kind of meeting than if you're just, hey, this is John from marketing, this is Lisa from finance. Yeah. Interesting. So, did you take any courses?
I certainly did.
Yeah.
But I of course also offered the course on happiness at work.
There you go.
And then I took the course on motivation at work. That was my friend doing that.
Yeah.
And I wanted to go to the course of golf. There was a golf simulator at Avast.
Yeah.
And there was a golf because I really wanted to try the golf, but I didn't catch the term, so I missed that one. I'm really sad about it. I don't know golf now.
Cool. What a great idea. And what a great way for people to meet each other inside an organization.
Yeah.
Good work.